We're up at Pat Henderson's pit loading some 3-inch minus. We're taking it to house sites that are down on Freeman Creek where people have their summer homes, and a few of them have permanent homes. We go into McGregor to use their scales so we know how much rock we're hauling. Up on the site, this site we're working on right now is a RV site. The bosses went in and pretty much leveled it out, got it where they want it, the roads put in, so I'm hauling the rock in using the 130 John Deere to spread it out enough to where I can keep hauling it, and they will come in and finish. Speeded up version looks just a little bit jerkier than what I am. I'm not the smoothest operator in the world, but I'm not quite that jerky either. Use the blade to do a little bit of the finish work, get it a little bit smoother. It's easier to spread it around with the bucket like I was doing before and then smooth it up with the blade. That hill I'm going down right now is a lot steeper than it looks, so it's hard to dump on it, so trying to push as much down as I can from up above. Here I'm just walking it down. It works almost as good as a roller to do it with the excavator. Flatten out and it takes out some of the low spots. After leaving the truck in Genessee, I am driving up the Clearwater River.